Bagamat hindi pa opisyal ang kanilang title clash, handa si WBO Super Bantamweight Champion Nonito Donaire Jr. sa anumang armas na pwedeng isalubong ni Jorge Arce sa araw ng bakbakan. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports, ibinunyag ni Donaire na batid niya ang peligrong dala ni Arce, kaya't pagpaplanuhan nilang maigi ang estilo ng Mexican rival.
For now, training hard, being ready for a war and or a boxing lesson. So depends what type of fight Arce comes in with. If he's there to go to war, we can always box him. But if we have an opportunity to go war and be at advantage, then we'll go with that.
Inilahad rin ni Donaire na nasa radar pa rin niya sina Mexican brawler Abner Mares at Cuban toppy Guillermo Rigondeaux, at handa rin umano siyang harapin ng dalawang boksingero pagkatapos ng Arce fight. Pero para mangyari ito, umapila si Donaire kay Mares at Rigondeaux na huwag humiling ng sobrang laking fight purse.
Of course, I mean, if that's the demand there, you know what, I'm always ready for the fight. Like I said, you know, I have my minimum. I don't need to demand anything. That's them that's demanding a lot.
Kahapon ay kumalat ang ulat na naikasa na di umano ng Top Rank ang December 16 showdown ni Donaire at Arce. Pero hanggang sa mga oras na ito ay wala pang kumpirmasyon tungkol dito ang promotional outfit ni Bob Arum. Para sa PTV Sports, Robert Belen, Telebisyon ng Bayan.